What's up, guys? We got the vintage Slim Reaper Supersonics jersey in honor of this unboxing. I already broke the seal. Alright, we got the KD9s here. This box looks pretty nice. Alright, got Kevin Durant on the side, Nike symbol, the KD emblem, and we got his signature here, and then the product barcode description, Nike Zoom KD9, size 10.5. Alright, this box is pretty high class. I like it. Alright, let's check them out. The colorway, damn, is like a light green. Nike calls it Jade. We actually got these on a Nike flash sale a few weeks back before Black Friday and Cyber Monday and all that. These were the only KD colorways they had, and they were only $95 on Nike. I think the original price is $150, so that's a pretty good deal. And they look pretty cool though. Not probably the typical colorway, but it's pretty nice. It's like light mint green, jade green, or whatever. It's pretty nice in person. In the front, almost looks like fly knit material, and it's mixture of that green, like that Volt looking color, and black laces. We got Durant, and then 35 on the tongue. His signature on the front. That's a nice touch. I never really seen any KDs up close and personal like this, so this is new for me. The bottom is pretty neat. I guess you got the zoom technology in that same green color going all the way around. Almost looks like an Air Max in person. The tongue is kind of high, exaggerated, and the heel is a little bit too. So from a distance, like watching KD on TV, it looks like a mid shoe, but it's actually definitely a short top in person. We got the KD in like a lime green color, and that's pretty much it. Not a whole lot to it. I like the shoe. It's nice. The best looking KD in a minute, I think. That's pretty much it. Hope everybody had a happy Thanksgiving. Please excuse my festive tablecloth. It goes with the theme, the kicks do. But let's have a look and see what they looking like on feet.